It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Yukon XL Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Yukon XL. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Yukon comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power telescopic steering wheel button, the park brake, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, traction control, hill descent control, the 360 camera, head-up display and information tab, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support with a leather interior, Denali embroidery in both seats, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. To the right, we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener. These buttons here fold our rear seats down. The power liftgate button where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. The power sunroof buttons, and this button here is for our power sliding center console. Once we move that center console back, it reveals a storage compartment with a pullout. Next, we have GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also got navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. We also have various camera views by pushing those buttons down below. Electronic precision shifting down the side, the engine push start button, apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the Yukon. The hard buttons for our radio and media options are just below the infotainment screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, the rear climate control buttons, some USB ports and power plug-in. This is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you, along with dual cup holders. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, signature C-shaped headlamps, fog lights, 22-inch aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, blacked out Denali badging down the side, running boards down below, tinted windows, roof rails. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, and as we make our way to the very back, we have the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the second and third row seats down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power door locks, power windows, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has dual cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, Rear heated second row seats, some USB-C plug-ins and a power plug-in down below. Carpeted floor mats on the floor, bucket seats in the second row. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the seat release on the side of the seat. In the third row, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders and USB-C plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Yukon XL Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.